Hi and welcome. I am Kelly and I am doing my first ever Lookiero box. I hope that's how you say it. I don't know. We'll wing it. We'll go with that. Lookiero. As I say, it's my first ever box from them, so I'm really quite excited to see what they have sent me. If you know how Lookiero works, then you can skip this wee bit and go to the unboxing. I will timestamp that. And you can just jump to that and go straight to the unboxing. But if you are new like myself, I will just explain briefly how it works. You go onto their website and you register and you fill in the details of your sizing and your clothes preferences, your styles and dislikes, and also if there's anything you don't like. For example, I don't like animal print, so I've said don't send me anything with animal print on it, just a personal thing, I'm not keen. And it's a £10 styling fee, which you get redeemed off of any of the items they send you. They will send you 5 items, and I say if you keep any of those 5 items, that £10 will be redeemed. And if you keep all 5 items, you will also get a 25% discount. I do have a code. I have opened my box. I haven't looked at what they sent me, but I have opened my box. With it being my first box, I didn't know what was all included. So I have opened and have a look, and they have given me a refer a friend code, which would give you, if you use that, you will get the styling fee free, because it's a £10 credit you get onto your account. I used a styling code, refer a friend code, so I actually got the £10 off with this box as well. I'm rambling, sorry. I'm actually in a bit of a rush today, so I'm trying to squeeze this in. So yes, I think that kind of covers it. Yeah, I think that kind of covers everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do things slightly differently. I'm not going to open the box and show you each item individually. I'm just going to go straight to the trying it on, and we'll discuss it as I've got it on. But say I have opened the box, and this is what it looks like inside. You open it. Oop, wee envelope there. So you do get a wee envelope which has all the information in it. There's a wee letter from your stylist. My stylist is called Kate. So hi Kate. You get a pricing list of how much everything costs, and there you get your bit about your refer a friend, earn £10 credit. And then restyling cards of, I've not looked at this, I've just, but yeah, just of the items you've received and how you would style them up. Yes, so that's what's in that envelope. So we will now go and have a look and see what's in the box. Oh, I've got 2 packages here. Oh, and look, here we go, at the bottom. There's an envelope here for returning any of the items that you don't love and you don't want to keep, you put them in that and return it. I believe it'll be postage paid. Yeah, postage paid, so you just return anything you don't love in that. So, first one, oh, it looks like it's a pair of jeans. Oh, and then, you can see that. It looks like jeans or something, and a jeans, oh, it could be a jacket actually. And then there's another package. Open that up to have a look. See the colours. So there we go. So that's everything. So as I say, I'm just going to go straight to trying them on and discuss them there as I've got them on. So I will be right. I was right. It is a denim jacket and this nice top and the jeans. I do like this. The jacket it's got stretch in it. It's a nice fit. I do like that a lot. I do actually already have a denim jacket very similar to this, so to be honest, I probably won't keep the jacket just because I've already got one. But it is nice. I do like it. What do you think? Let me know what you think. There's the back. Come a wee bit closer so you can have a good look. It's a nice jacket. It's just, it's just a plain denim jacket, but it's nice, I like it. So, the jacket is Onado, I think is how they say that. Lena jacket, extra large, thanks. dark blue, and that is $53.99. So yes, I won't be keeping it for that price, because as I say, especially because I actually already have one, so there would be no point in me keeping a jacket that I've already got, especially for that price. So that's the jacket, and so it's got the button, it's that bit detail there. It's got pockets. It's got pockets there as well. Yeah, so there we go. That's the jacket. Now onto the top. It's just a plain tee. It's like a very pale bluey grey colour. I think it looks more grey in the video, but there's definitely a wee hint of blue to it. But yeah, just a plain V-neck tee. Very simple. You could do a front tuck, but I won't, because I have an issue with my belly and I don't like showing my belly. So, but if you're lucky enough to not have a belly, yes, you could do a nice wee front tuck with this top. So this top is the Soya concept. There we go. Soya concept Maric t-shirt in large. Oh, it's light blue, so it is definitely a blue. And that's £25. So there we go. So it's just a plain tee. It's very soft, I have to say. It is very soft. So that's the t-shirt. And then the jeans. I like these. They're dark blue, very soft, a lot of stretch in them. And they do show my tummy, hence keeping the top nice and long to hide the tummy. But they're nice, they're high rise. So very soft. I do actually realise, and I don't actually have a pair of jeans in this sort of navy blue. So depending on the price, I might be keeping these. I do like them. They're very comfortable. Very comfortable. And so these are the Esprit Casual Harriet jeans, dark blue, and they're £45. So I'm thinking yes to these, to be perfectly honest. I do like them. But let me know what you think. They come, they're just a pair of jeans. At the end of the day, they are just a pair of jeans. There we go. So that's this outfit. So I've got another 2 tops to try on. So I'll go and try them on. So I'll be right back. So I now have on this blouse. I like, but I'm not sure. I think it's very flattering. It gives a nice shape. I'm just not very keen on the sleeves. It's got elasticated sleeves, but nice V-neck. The buttons are real buttons, so unfortunately there is a wee bit of gaping, and when I sit down I just know that's going to whoop and show everything. But it's nice. It kind of comes in fitted around just under the bust really for me there. And there's the back. It's certainly plenty of room at the back here. Length might be just a little bit too short for my liking as well. But I do like the shape that it gives me. I just don't think I'd be comfortable in it, because I'd be conscious of it pulling across my midriff when I relax. When we're normal, when we're not breathing in, trying to make ourselves thin. Yeah. So, yeah. What do you think? I do like it. I think the pattern is very pretty. This fabric is very soft and silky feeling. I don't think it would crease too bad, to be perfectly honest. I mean, it's not creased coming out of the packet there, so yeah. In that sense, it's nice, but yeah, it's just maybe a wee bit snug around this area. Breathe in. Yeah. So this is the A1 wardrobe, Siley shirt, extra large, and it's £40.50. So I don't think I'm going to be keeping this, to be perfectly honest, just for this reason here. The good old midriff. It is a bonny top, but I don't know where I would wear it. I don't work in an office. You know, I think this would make maybe a nice top for if you worked in an office. But I work at my husband's garage, so it's very casual. Jeans and t-shirt, you know. But yeah, if you worked in an office, this would be an ideal top for that. Right, anyway, let's move on to the next top. Okay, so I've now got on this blue lightweight jumper. It's a box-shaped kind of jumper, but I'd say it's too big for me. I think it's just hanging. I could maybe have gone down a size on this one. But it's nice, it's a bonny jumper. I love the colour. Don't know if it's picking up the colour really well. But it's a nice blue colour. Very soft again. I must admit all the fabrics have been lovely on all this. But yeah, I mean it's a nice jumper. I do actually quite like it. What do you think to the size? Do you think it's too big, or think I'd get away with that? Let me know what you think. In the back. It's growing on me. This it is nice. So this is the Be Young Bypacey sweater V-neck in large, and it's blue, and it's £24.99. Oh, that's not a bad price. £24.99. That's maybe swaying me to keep it. We'll see. I'm not sure. I'm just thinking my last Stitch Fix, I kept the jeans and the jumper, and am I doing the same here with the Lookiero box? Am I keeping the jeans and the jumper? Do you think I'm a jeans and jumper, jeans and t-shirt kind of girl? I'm kind of picking up on that myself now. It's amazing what these boxes make you realise, just, you know, what you like with your clothes. They're awakening. So yes, I've tried on everything now. So please comment and let me know what you think of each of the items. If you think differently to me with any of them, of what I should keep and what I shouldn't, please let me know. I would like to know. So yes, that's everything tried on. So I will be back in a minute for a recap. Okay, so let's recap. I think I'm definitely going to keep the jeans. I'm still on the fence about that blue jumper. I liked it, but I think maybe just a little bit too big. Let me know what you think. Please comment. Like most us ladies, I'm dieting. So I don't know whether it's worth getting the jumper if I'm losing weight, because then it's just obviously going to get bigger. But then I suppose it could just be an oversized jumper. But yeah, let me know what you think, please. I'd love to know your thoughts on that. Anyway, so let's recap. So the denim jacket, I will not be keeping. As I say, I already have a denim jacket that's very similar. So there's no point me keeping that. But that was a size. It says here size extra large UK 14. I am a 14. So I would say that was very true to size. And it was £53.99. So definitely not keeping it at that price when I already have one. The blue sweater, as I say, need your help with this one, please. It says size large UK 12, and that was £24.99. Yeah, please let me know what you think about this one. I am struggling with this one. The jeans is next. Now the jeans are, they say size extra large UK 14. Again, I am a 14 in jeans, and they fitted really well. They were very comfortable on. And I think, yes, I'm going to be keeping them, and they were £45. Very soft, very, very soft. And then the blouse, it is size extra large UK 14. I suppose, yes, it is a 14. I just have a very big middle drift. Mid-drift. Yeah. But yes, it is a pretty top, but no, definitely not keeping that. And then finally was this t-shirt. It was size large UK 12. That was a bit big as well, I thought. Maybe a bit, yeah. So 12. Maybe I could have got away with a 10. the dream is still alive. But yeah, I won't be keeping this. Forgot to say the blouse, £40.50. This t-shirt, £25. So definitely keeping the jeans. Need your help with the blue jumper. Okay. So in total, not including any discounts, all 5 items came to £189.48. As I say, I got a free styling fee because I used a refer a friend code, so I didn't pay that. So that's deducted, will get deducted off as well off of anything that I keep. But if I was to keep all 5 items, I would get a 25% discount of £44.87, which would take the total of all 5 items down to £134.61. That's actually not too bad for 5 items. You know, denim jacket, jeans, and 3 tops. That's actually not too bad. But I think I'll definitely be keeping the jeans. Let me know about the jumper. So yes. So anyway, if you liked my video, give me a thumbs up. I'm supposed to say this apparently. It's all new to me, this. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. What happens when people subscribe? Does it open up a vortex to a new world? Try it. Let's see what happens. But yes, that's what I'm supposed to say. Thumbs up, subscribe. Yeah, you don't have to, but I would love it if you did. And as I say, please let me know. Please help me with this blue jumper. Oh. So anyway, got to go. Things to do. Fences to go and paint. Yay. Anyway, please thumbs up, and I will see you all soon. Bye. Sorry, meant to say, if you want to try for yourself a Lookiero box, then I have a link below. Click on that and you'll get your £10 styling fee free.